Hey guys, and welcome back. So in today's video I'm going to be unboxing, reviewing, and setting up this Netgear Orbi whole home tri-band mesh Wi-Fi 6 system. Alright, so today we've got our Orbis. These are the Netgear Orbis whole home tri-band mesh Wi-Fi 6 robust smart home tri-band mesh Wi-Fi 6. It does speeds up to 4.2 gigabytes. This is the AX4200. So this one here covers up to 7,500 square feet and up to 40 plus devices. So this right here, you would get a router and 2 satellite systems. So this is the 3. You would connect the router to the back of your modem of your internet provider, and the satellites you would just place around your home. So let's go ahead and get inside the box. So first off, you have a let's get started. So first off, it's telling you to download the app. It has it for iOS as well as Android. And then you can set it up, the device, secure the Netgear, and do more with the app. So we'll get into that. And then back here just shows you you've got the router plus 2 satellites, plus you've got an Ethernet port and the power plug. And this is what it looks like on the back of the modem. And then this is the back of the satellite. You've got your troubleshootings, support and community, regulatory and legal. If you have any information, it's got a contact card. So let's go into the box. It just lifts up just like that. And then you have your router and 2 satellites. So this one right here is marked as satellite. So these will where you'll be putting around your house. So you got 2 Ethernet ports, the power port, and you've got a sync button. And then right here is the router. So you've got an Ethernet port. You got 3 other Ethernet ports up to 1 gigabyte. You've got the power port and a sync button. It has a nice little rubber thing on the bottom so it doesn't move. And then here is the other satellite. If you want to add more satellites for more coverages, you can. You just got to look up under the model and it will allow you to add up to many devices. I think up to 16 devices, which is the satellites, not the modems. So this is the 802.11ax communication stand. So right here is all the power cords to all of the devices. This runs up to 4.2 gigabyte streaming speed. It is 3.5 faster than the Wi-Fi 5. It has 40 plus connections for devices. With all of these, you can get coverage up to 7,500 square feet. So through the doors, it works through doors, ceilings, walls, outdoors. So what we're going to do is we're going to start setting it up. So this is what you do get in the package. So what we want to do is grab your phone, whether you have an Apple phone or an Android phone. You want to go into the store, type in Orbi because you want to download the app. So click on Orbi. So now I scroll down, it's here the second one, it's the Netgear Orbi Wi-Fi setup. So now we're just waiting for that to continue to download. And then once it's finished download, we want to go ahead and open it up. So click on the open button and it will take us to the setup settings. So right here it says Orbi. You have to make sure you sign in or sign up. Now we'll get into the next setup settings. This is allow local network, continue. Do you want to connect? Agree. It says you want to stay up to date. You can do maybe later or allow notifications. I did later. Now it wants to get your location. You want to allow this. Then next thing you want to do is either sign up an account or sign into your previous account. So right now it's signing into my account. Now I gotta put my information. Now it's already signed up. So now it wants you to scan the QR code on the router of the Orbi. It should be right there in front of it. I'm gonna go ahead and do that right now. So once you do that, it's telling you you need to locate your modem. You need to continue. Unplug your modem. Continue. So once you've unplugged your modem, click continue. Now it says plug in your modem, so you got to plug in your modem, wait for all the lights to connect and be solid. Then you want to connect the Ethernet port to the back of the Orbi to your router. Now it's saying place your satellites elsewhere in the house at some distance, nowhere near microwaves or any electronic devices. Click on Next. So right now it's giving the setup. So we're just waiting for them to connect the router as well as the satellites. So this just moves over here, giving you some more information on doing more, turning up, staying secured, and then you've got doing more. So it just goes over this. So now we're just going to wait for all this bar here at the top to completely fill. So that will give you more options on this app. So now it's finally completed. So it says connect to your Orbi. You want to click on the join. And again, that little blue bar at the top will have to scan your devices. And once it's completed, it will allow this part of the screen. And unfortunately, my iPhone didn't work. I had to grab my Android One Plus in order to finish my setup completion because I was having some internet issues on my phone. So right now it's detecting all my satellites. It's searching for my router and my satellites. So I'm just going to wait for that for a second for it to come back with my satellites. So again, you've got the blue bar here at the top because I've switched from my iPhone to my Android phone. So now we're going to wait to complete the settings. So we click on Next. So now it did connect. So it says connect my Netgear, see plans. I'm going to click on maybe later. This one here is wouldn't leave your favorite door unlocked. Click on done. So now it is connected to both of my satellites. So it says right here, satellites, Internet online, satellites online 2 of 2, and then it has your security, device manager, your speed, your parental controls. So we're going to just test the speeds on this one. So this one here does get up to 2 gigabytes including cable, satellite, fiber, and DSL. So it's compatible with those devices. So the plug-in computers, game consoles, streaming players, and more, up to 3 gigabyte of Ethernet ports on the router with a 2 gigabyte Ethernet port on each satellite. So you do get really good speed. So like right now it's testing my speed. So it's saying my download is 293.1 download, 10.39 upload. Now it went up to 295.59, so I'm getting really good speeds. This is on my phone just using these satellites. So these satellites, you do not have to set the 2.4 hertz or the 5. It'll actually choose for you. So on the menu side, it has all your information. If you want to add a satellite, you just click on add satellite, click on next, and then you will go into the details with that one. If you're looking for a nice router system that covers your whole home, this is the one to get. This one does cover up to 7,500 square feet of your home and up to 40 plus devices. This is the AX4200, up to 4.2 gigabytes of speed. I would highly recommend checking out these Netgear Orbi's satellite tri-band systems.